Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare the dry version of cauliflower Manchurian. For this, first let us separate the cauliflower into florets and blanch it. Let the cauliflower boil in water for around 2 to 3 minutes and switch off the flame and let it stay in the water for another 5 minutes and then take it out. The blanched cauliflower is ready. Now wash it once again for the worms to go off. Now let us add the flours. 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. To this add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, the required amount of salt, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now let us give a nice mix. The blanched cauliflower will have little water, so don't add too much of water, just sprinkle some water and give a nice mix. The masala has coated well. Now let us put it in the freezer for another half an hour. By the time let us prepare the sauce. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a cup of chopped onions and 4 to 5 chopped garlics. Let us saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the required amount of salt. We are going to add soya sauce also. Soya sauce will be salty, so adjust the salt accordingly. Now let us add soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Just give a nice mix and add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. Finally, the tomato sauce. 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Your sauce will be ready. This is perfect. Set this aside. Now let us fry the marinated cauliflower. This fried cauliflower itself will taste so good. Now turn the other side and cook properly till it is golden brown. The cauliflowers are ready. Now let us transfer this into the prepared sauce. Give a nice mix for a minute or two. You should not overcook. Now let us spread some pepper powder. Pepper powder will give a nice flavor for the Manchurian. For a little Indian touch, now let us top it with some chopped coriander leaves. Our dry cauliflower Manchurian is ready. Do try at home. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.